Hello everyone. We are in phase 7, chapters vectors, exercise 1, question number 3. Question number 3. Let's look at the question. Question is points A and B have position vectors A and B relative to origin and they are given and we have to find the length and also we have to find the angle OAB. Okay. Now this is sometimes it is really confusing. If I write capital A, I am actually signifying the position of this point. But in vector world or in the vector form, this is a vector. So it is represented by the position. It's called position vector. So if position vector of A is 4i, 4i plus 3j minus 2k. And 4, 3 and minus 2 are essentially the coordinates of this point. So 4, 3, minus 2. They are the coordinates of this point. For O, the coordinates are O, 0, 0, 0. So we know how to find the vector. If I want to write OA, if I want to write OA vector, then it is written as position vector of A minus position vector of origin, that is 0, 0, 0. So that is why if the starting point is origin, then whatever the coordinates are, they are actually the position vector of this point. So we just loosely refer to them like that. But we should be aware whenever a point is given and its position vectors are given in IJK form, it is actually OA vector that we are referring to. Now, similarly, B is also given to us. So let's say B is somewhere here and it is minus 7. So minus 7, 5 and 4. So these are its coordinates, but in the form of vector, it is minus 7. It is minus 7i plus 5j plus 4k in vector form. So this is B, position vector of B. We write it with small v. Okay. Find the length AB. Find the length AB. So length AB is EB vector magnitude of the AB vector. That is the length AB. In vector, the distance between the 2 points is the magnitude of the vector. So how do we find AB? How do we find AB? Like how we find position vector of B minus position vector of A. So in this case, B minus A is your AB vector. So very basic, very starting point and very important. So if we have to find the value of AB vector, so it is nothing but B minus A. So minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 and 5 minus 3 is plus 2j and 4 minus plus is 6k. So this is the vector form of AB. And if I want to know the value, the mod, then it is 121 plus 4 plus 36 root over. So this is the value. So 140, 161. So 161 root over. So this is the length of A. Now the second question is find a scalar product to use a scalar product to find angle OAB. OAB. Okay, so we have to find this angle. We've already dealt with this kind of question before. Cos theta in this case will be the two vectors. So in this form, OA vector dot AB vectors by OA mod and AB mod. So this will give us the cos theta. So angle will be cos inverse. So after that, we know how to find for OA. OA is this. OA vector is actually, this is the OA vector in vector form. And AB we have just now found out. Minus 11 plus 2. So minus 11 plus 2j plus 6k dot OA vector is 4i plus 3j minus 2k And then this mod we have just now found out. So it is 161 and OA will be 25 plus 4 root 29. I think this one is also one of the weird, yeah. So 161 root 29, if we solve it, we get 50. So again, it is not a good, अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. It's not the standard number that we are aware of. Doesn't matter. So we should know the process. Process is very similar to before. But यहाँ पे the more important concept that we learned was that if the 2 points are given as coordinates and if the starting point is origin, then the coordinates can be translated directly by just putting I, J, K there, and they will represent the vector OA, or we call it position vector of point A. Similarly, for point B, it is given the starting point was O. But if the starting point is not origin, then the vector has to be represented by position vector of the head minus tail. Yeah, head minus tail. Or the B minus A. For AB, so where it is ending, where it is starting. So end minus start point. So that is how we should write the vector between the 2 points. And then the length is given by just finding the mod. So all of that is fine. So this was an important concept in this question. All right. Thank you.